Hey there everyone, Akshita here back again with another video, and in this video guys we are going to learn how to count number of vowels in a given string. Before giving you time to think over this answer, I want to tell you that in this case we are going to count number of vowels irrespective of their casing. Either it can be capital or it can be in small. That is, either it can be in uppercase or either it can be in lowercase. Okay, like this. So these are the vowels basically of which we have to count the number. I hope I have made the clear that what exactly the problem is. So guys, before heading towards that how to solve this, there's one thing that I want to tell you in this video is about the membership operator. Yes, in this video I want to teach you about membership operator, which is in operator. Okay, so what it means is that it defines that whether a particular, you can say, object is a member of another object. As in Python everything is an object, so according to that we are going to do, like if I have a string, suppose s is equal to hello. Okay, now if I want to check, suppose I want to print a in s. See, it says false. So what I want to ask is that whether A is a member of S. So it gives me true or false accordingly. If irrespective of A, I will say L. See, it's giving me true. So somehow this concept we are going to use to count the number of vowels in a given string. So let's check it out. As you know the tradition and drill that first give it a pause, take pen and paper and just think of your own solution, that how you are going to approach this problem and how you are going to solve it. For others, please go ahead and watch this video, and also you can check your solution with mine. So let's get started guys. Okay, first of all let me take an input and string. Okay, now we have taken the string. So what we are going to do is we are going to create, suppose, another string in which I am going to keep all the vowels in both uppercase and lowercase. Okay, so this is my string. Now I have to count all the vowels, so I am going to take a count variable initialized by 0. Now just I have to do, I will use for loop for this. For I in S, then there will be, I am going to apply conditioning that if I in vowels, then count plus equal to 1. Okay, then at last just print count variable. First we are going to run this code. Let's take the string. What should we take? Hello. Okay, count is 2. Let's check it. Yes, E and O. Let me give something A E H. See, it is recognizing both capital and small one. So I hope this have gave a great idea to how to play with the strings and use these operators. Again, let me sum up this program. We are taking the input, then we are creating a vowel that we have to find that whether our each letter belongs to this or not. Okay, then count is equal to 0. Then just we are looping around. What I will fetch it, I will fetch each letter one by one in each iteration. So what we are doing here, we are taking a conditioning that if that particular letter belongs to this vowels, anything belongs to this, then count is 1 and print it. Okay, I hope you get it, this problem, and Keep coding. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.